Here I have UleFone Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here in picture size you can change its aspect ratios. So you basically have only two aspect ratios. You have 4:3 or just full screen photo. So yeah, but one with like 20 megapixels and another one with 8 megapixels for 4:3, and other ones with 10 and 7 megapixels for full screen. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.